Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, it's so hot with people. It's so hot in Jamaica today man. So today guys, I am on the border of Westmoreland and Hanover guys. So I'm gonna take you how to get to Rick's Cafe if you're coming from Montego Bay side or Lucy. So guys, just keep on watching and enjoy the True Jamaican Tour guide. Yeah man, so you can look out for them sign here. It's a landmark also guys. So yes my people, I telling you, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice and I love my island Jamaica. So I'm just gonna enjoy beautiful island Jamaica guys. Big up on yourself. Anywhere now watch from yard or abroad. Yeah man, may I talk to you. Just big up yourself again. One love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid guys. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to get to Rick's Cafe. So if you're coming from the Montego Bay side, Lucy side, yeah man, just look out for the landmark. You see with the border, you will see Westmoreland and Hanover. So yes guys, I'm gonna show you how to get to. So I'm now in the Negril area guys. We are now entering to Negril. So I'm gonna show you how to get to Rick's Cafe. I know a lot of that is a tourist attraction place. A lot of persons like to visit Rick's Cafe. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to get to Rick's Cafe. At least you will have an idea. And you see how the place look, how beautiful Negril is. So guys, enjoy the tour, Fire Reid, your tour guide. And please indicate where you're watching from. If you like this video or you learn something about Jamaica, you can leave it in the comment section guys. Big up on yourself, anyone I watch from man. Yes man, I'm talking to you. Yeah man, you me talk so I watch a video, you know. Big up yourself where you watch from man. One love and one heart guys. So I'm gonna take you how to get to Rick's Cafe. Enjoy the tour. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. You know, Negril is a very nice area guys. A lot of tourists come here, enjoy them stay. You know, you have a lot of all-inclusive, lot of places, White Sand Beach. Yeah man, so they need to come enjoy the moment right here. Yeah man. And if you visit this area before, just leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think, your experience about this area guys. You know, Rick's Cafe can jump off a nice cliff into the water. So this is how you get to it. From once you reach that, the border, Westmoreland and Hanover, you will see that sign right there. Yeah man, also the 7 Mile Beach is on the right. I'm calling it 7 Mile Beach. Is that beautiful guys? If you can walk 7 Mile Beach in the Westmoreland area, that is so awesome. So when you're driving in Jamaica guys, you don't have to in any haste. Just take a little time and drive. You have a lot of people that try to bump you off of the road. And those so Jamaican people them stay. Them now respect the other road users guys. So those just take your time and drive to your destination at your speed. Less trouble for you guys with the police. No ticket for the day. Just drive the speed limit guys. Also, Margaritaville is on your right, guys. So you can stop at the Margaritaville also. Spend some moment there and then you can head to Rick's Cafe. And also on your right you have a curry goat shop. Yeah man, so if you love a curry goat, daily there on the strip right there. I think it here says Norman Manley Boulevard, the stretch right here. And also on your left you have the Ryan Hotel. You need to check out Ryan Hotel, very nice hotel, guys. So guys, remember I am coming from the Lucy area, guys, so Montego Bay, guys. So all the guys who are coming from the White House area, Savlamar, St. Elizabeth, you know, when you reach the roundabout, you're gonna take the first exit on the roundabout, guys, if you're coming from the Savlamar area, guys. So guys, in few more minutes we will soon reach the roundabout, guys. And remember, guys, when you're coming from St. Elizabeth side, guys, you're gonna take the first exit, guys. And if you're coming from Hanover, Montego Bay, you're gonna take the second exit, guys. Just remember that, guys. You're gonna take the second exit. So guys, this is the roundabout I'm talking. So remember, you take the second exit, guys. Sometimes the GPS can take you to that destination, but at least you'll have an idea. And always look out for a landmark, guys, so you can know exactly that you're on the right track. I tell you, Jamaica nice and beautiful, you know. I love me island so bad, me have to show it all over the world. Thank you guys for appreciating the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself again. One lover, one heart. I know some people maybe want to come to Jamaica and they maybe don't take the time out for watching videos if you know where to go. Them just come to Jamaica, don't have an idea where to go. So sometimes it's best to when you watch and have an understanding of the beautiful island Jamaica. To me it's beautiful. So guys, you can say in the comment section if it is not beautiful or not. Everybody have their own opinion. So that's just a part of life, guys. So I will always be updating on Jamaica. Any place in Jamaica I will update, because every day something changes in Jamaica, guys. Every day. So sometimes we do a video before, you will get an update same way. Remember 2021, 2022. Also look out for something in 2023. Yeah man, a lot of people talk about West End. When I come to Jamaica, they go to West End them place there. What you mean? At least you have an understanding. I can tell them, say, yeah man, Fire Reid drive through the place there and see how the place look nice, or whatever you see you just can't say, because it's just reality. It's what you see and it's what you're gonna say. Some people like the country life, some people like the town life. But to me, country life is the best. Yeah man, country life is the best, guys. When you're in the country, you can go to your backyard, pick a jelly, coconut, sweet sap, guinea. Anything you can pick for once in the countryside, guys. That's what I like about the country. Yeah man. Never hear say countryman go to town yet. Yeah man, he might miss country a lot because he might miss him organic fruits. On your right, I see you have 3 lots for sale. Yeah man, so you know, say everybody lot there, you know, say a whole heap of money for them lot there. Yeah man, all $10 million for one of them lot there or more. You know this is Negril, guys. You have to pay the price. If you want to live in Negril, you have to pay the price. So if you like your artwork, guys, out of hood, you can check in this area also, guys. Just stop and get also your touch hat, also your Jamaican colors. Yeah man. So guys, you can see the distance from the roundabout area. You can see the distance from there, guys. So guys, welcome guys to Rick's Cafe coming up on your right, guys. Yeah man, this is the place we all need to be. Come like the parking lot full up, so we can't get no park over Rick's Cafe, guys. So this is a parking lot from Rick's Cafe, guys. So you can come same way and park up in the vehicle. Make sure it's safe, guys. Yeah man, make sure it's safe.